ऐसे जो शब्द है ना, ये किताबों में तो बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं, पर जब घर की औरतें एक्चुअली एम्पावर्ड हो जाती हैं ना, तो बड़ा मुश्किल होता है। और एम्पावरमेंट ऐसे तो एक दिन में तो कोई हो नहीं जाता, शक्ति एक दिन में भी नहीं आती। आज की जो मेरी गेस्ट हैं, वो आपको बताएंगी कि एक वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर की जर्नी कैसी रहती है, उनके चैलेंजेस। एंड इट्स एन ऑनर टू हैव शिवानी अरोड़ा विद मी। आप उनको सोशल मीडिया पे ज्यादा नहीं देखेंगे, पर जब आप उनका काम देखेंगे, जब आप उनसे मिलेंगे, तो यू विल नो व्हाई शी देयर ऑन आवर चैनल। सो वेलकमिंग शिवानी अरोड़ा। So tell me about your schooling, your education, your.
So I did my graduation from Delhi University, and that time I just realized that I'm not made for any desk job, and I was always a creative person, and makeup was not a very famous or known profession at that time. Yeah, so I just thought, I was just figuring out what to do, and this was clear that I don't want to be a homemaker or not do anything and just get married. So I was always very fond of earning my own money and making my own money, and pampering myself with my own luxuries and fulfilling my own demands. So then I thought that I was just figuring out what to do. Then I figured out that makeup would be one thing which I was not very sure, but yeah, I enrolled myself in Pearl Academy for this 1-year diploma course.
Right.
And that time also my dad was not very convinced because he was more inclined towards fashion designing and more professions which were more renowned and famous instead of makeup artists, because makeup artists were considered as parlor wali, didis.
Yeah.
So all the time, and I think it took a lot of time for me to explain to my grandmom also what exactly do I do, because from her generation it was just like you're a beautician, so there was no difference between a beautician and a makeup artist.
Yeah.
And I just enrolled myself in a makeup diploma course, and still was figuring out I want to continue it as a profession or how will it go, because there were no opportunities as such in the market. Today Instagram is full of makeup artists. It's just bursting. Yeah, but that time I think my class had 40 students, and there was none of them had a makeup page, or neither the teachers had that Instagram page. They were just marketing through other ways, print media and the networking. So social media was not in the role that time.
Yeah.
But then during the course only I developed interest, and I wanted to do this because I knew I cannot do anything else more than that. So yes, then my dad was also very convinced that I'm very interested in this, and he is a businessman, so he always has this entrepreneur thing in his head. So he said that don't start with, if you really want to settle down and if you really want to work seriously, then do it on a big scale rather than just freelancing or going door to door. Again, freelancing had no importance, or there was no recognition of freelancing.
Yes.
And then he told me that you should start with salon. So because none of my family members are from this background, this industry. So he said that start with the salon. Again, he was confused that we should look for a franchisee because I was too young when I was starting. And I always...
This was before marriage, or you got married?
Long before marriage.
Long before marriage.
Yes, 7 years back. I've just been married since 3 years. So I was just 22 when I started this.
Wow. So this is where you started from, and you started way back, when you were young. At 22, you opened this studio.
Yes. So I had the salon, but I had nothing in mind what to do with this. So I thought that, you know, I had this dream that I'll be a makeup artist, and the moment I'll have this salon and every day I'll have a makeup booking, and this is the way it will go ahead, and you know, you have those plans and dreams in your mind. But the first day I came here, I realized that it's not a full-time thing. Like, makeup is seasonal.
Yeah.
It's more of wedding season, and because I was just new, so obviously I was not getting makeups like every next day that I can, you know, spend my whole life here in this place just on the hope that I'll be getting makeup every day. After having this place, then I realized that I need to set it up in a salon with the services, like with all services. So initially we started with half area, like half salon, and I mean, again, it was a struggle at every step to how to find the staff, how to deal with them. I was very young and I used to look much younger.
Then you look very young.
Yeah.
You know, a lot of times, औरतों के लिए, you know, like I always say, empowerment बोलना बड़ा आसान होता है, but male-dominated society में, you know, जहाँ dealing करनी होती है, ये बहुत मुश्किल होता है for a young girl, क्योंकि लोगों को बड़ा मुश्किल अभी तो आई है, छोटी
Yeah,
तो
so
बच्ची है.
everybody thought when I was sitting here, if they used to come and meet me, they used to think that, you know,
ये तो बच्ची
it's
है.
run by my parents and I am just coming here, you know, ऐसे time pass के लिए, चलो आज तुम देख लो types. So, and for the staff, obviously, to
So how did you handle? You know, I see the challenges. One was young, one was, you know, you had the male staff.
I was young and I used to look younger.
And you
That's
looked
just
younger.
cherry on the top.
So how did you face these challenges?
It was very difficult for me initially because I had, you know, I hired 5 to 6 people, and all like half male and half females, and all like 3 males and 3 females, and everybody was older than me, and not realizing how to deal with them, like what to do. I mean, how to tell them, how to. I was very scared, and for the first time when I had to give them salary, I think I told my dad that you come and you give it. How will I do it? But then he told me one thing, that once I start doing it, they will never see you as an owner, or they will never value you again. They'll never respect you because they know that somebody is sitting above her whom they are answerable to.
Yeah.
And then it just went step by step. I think it was struggle at every step. It was a challenge at every step, and I see myself after 7 years grown so much.
Of course.
With I mean, doing makeup is very easy for me today. The most difficult part on this planet is to manage your stuff. I think that nobody can teach you. Nobody.
So, you know, since you've been doing that, I want you to tell my viewers, you know, if somebody is new, if somebody is facing struggles like you, how should they deal with it?
I think it's just trust in yourself and experience. That is the only way to move forward. Some people are blessed, they have a easy, smooth journey, and some people face challenges at every step, and I was one of those. And I think there is these things, management is something that can never be taught. And you know, the plus point I had was because I was in a business where I was dealing with people every day, be it salon or be it makeup. So every person teaches you so much. Difficult client teaches you so much, easy client teaches you so much. There were days when, and makeup was also not easy, you know, you really have to listen to somebody. You have to convince them, and for those I started with 3,000 rupees, and for those 3,000 rupees you have to listen 3,000 things from them.
आपने ऐसे नहीं किया,
ऐसे नहीं करा, वैसे नहीं करा. I mean, they'll make you wait. I mean, not all clients are good or all clients are bad, but you have experience of every client.
You go through every emotion.
Yes. So there were times when I was so frustrated. I was like, what am I doing? I have everything, every access to everything in the world. Why am I, you know, ये 3,000 रुपए के लिए चिक सुनना और इतना. So there were days when I used to go back home and I was like, what the hell am I doing? I mean, so it was not easy, but yes, I think any profession, I would say, I'm not talking about makeup, any profession is not easy. Business is not easy, but profession is more difficult because you are dealing with every type of person on a daily basis.
What gave you Shakti, Shivani? वो शक्ति कहाँ से आई? That you are balancing, I see कि आपकी जो फेमिनिन है और आपकी जो मैस्कुलिन है वो बहुत बैलेंस्ड है. आप काम कराते भी हो, आप काम करते भी हो, and it shows in your personality. So what gave you Shakti?
As a person, I was very underconfident when I was in school or my college all my life, and I was a very anxious person as well, and I used to get bothered at every small little thing. And life, every day you will face something or the
Of
other.
course.
I had stopped blaming on the outside world or situations. Instead, I started looking inside, and
You started taking the ownership of everything that started happening.
Yes. Most importantly, I stopped feeling helpless.
Yeah.
Because problems are there in everybody's life, but not everyone has that privilege to find a solution to that problem.
Absolutely. So I think चाहे आप किसी के साथ भी कनेक्ट करें, चाहे आप कोई एक मोडालिटी के साथ चेक करें, चाहे आप कुछ भी किसी के लिए एक जिम हो सकता है, किसी के लिए मेडिटेशन हो सकती है, किसी के लिए डांस थेरेपी हो सकती है, किसी के लिए एक्सरसाइज हो सकती है, मॉर्निंग वॉक हो सकती है, पर अपनी शक्ति के साथ कनेक्ट करना जो आप कनेक्ट कर पाएंगे. एंड कई बार कोई भी फ्रेंड आपकी लाइफ में ना एज अ ब्लेसिंग आती हैं, आते हैं, दे कनेक्ट यू to the Shakti within, and everyday working is so important. Shivani, I want to understand from you, आपके लिए spirituality का क्या मतलब है?
For me, spirituality is basically just understanding yourself every day. I mean, it's just, going deeper into yourself and just understanding yourself. I mean, I never thought that you could be happy for seeing a sunset or, enjoying nature could be such a big blessing. We do it every day, but we never understand that.
We never sit and we never feel those.
We never feel those things. So I think it has just made me more grounded as in more connected with my own self. And again, that helplessness has gone. I think there are situations where you are very worried or tensed or you don't understand, but yeah, the percentage has really gone down.
Yeah, but I see you very feminine, Shivani. Which is why I see that aspect in you. When ladies get into the business, either they become very masculine.
Yeah.
They start shouting, they start abusing. I see you as somebody who is very down to earth, very humble, and you don't have to be masculine to run a business.
I think at the end we all are humans.
Yeah.
So unless somebody is really taking advantage of you, you have to be kind enough. Be it your staff, be it your colleagues, be it anyone around. I think at the end we all are humans. Even I'm working, so even I end up, doing a lot of mistakes. And when the other person treats me like, no, this cannot be done, so even I feel that I'm not done it intentionally. So you have to, obviously you have to control certain things, how they have to be done. But at the end you have to realize that the other person is also a human being. And if he's providing any service, it is possible that somewhere or the other, in other way, he can go wrong.
Yeah. So, Shivani, there are a lot of people who are, like you said, आपके time पे लोग नहीं थे जो इतने makeup artists थे. Today they have gained good respect. They have made industry grow. But not many. There are a lot of people are scared to open a salon as big as yours. If I want to ask you, there are young, women, there are young individuals who want to do things but they can't. What is your advice to them? As a women entrepreneur, what is it that you want to tell
I think
them?
Even I was in the same situation. I was very happy that I was getting a place. At the same time, I was very scared. And I think I would give all credit to my parents who have always supported me and pushed me to think bigger and do bigger. Even if you fail, you have to go every day and show up. And I think I've got the biggest strength. And now obviously my husband and my in-laws, thankfully I've got a wonderful family who've always supported me. There are days when you come back home and say, "Mujhse nahi ho raha, bas band kar do, bahut ho gaya." But I think my family has always supported me and they've pushed me beyond my limits. I would, otherwise, like any other girl, even I was scared and I don't think I would have ever made it till here, that मैं तो freelancing तक ही रह जाती
आधी रह जाती. So I think if you wish to, अगर आपको आगे बढ़ना है, तो I think that risk that Shivani took, and कई बार आपको पेरेंट्स का सपोर्ट नहीं भी मिलता, काफी जगह पे आपको मिलता है, काफी जगह पे आपको नहीं भी मिलता, तो आप बैठिए, सीख सपोर्ट फ्रॉम पीपल हु आर ऑलरेडी देयर इन द इंडस्ट्री. ज्यादा से ज्यादा क्या होगा, मना ही करेंगे ना, बट आई थिंक यू विल गेट a direction, and that direction is very important. कई बार बहुत सारे लोग क्योंकि पैसे नहीं है इसलिए इन्वेस्ट नहीं करते, खोलते नहीं है, बट लाइक शिवानी सेड, नथिंग शुड स्टॉप यू. अगर आपके पास ड्रीम है, जाइए, लोगों से मिलिए, बात करिए, एंड स्टार्ट योर ड्रीम, बिकॉज अपनी शक्ति से कनेक्ट करना. लाइक शिवानी कनेक्टेड, a friend connected her through a spiritual guru. आप किसी चीज से भी कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं और अपनी शक्ति को ड्राइव करके जो आपका बिजनेस है उसे ड्राइव करें, बिकॉज यू हैव इट इन यू एंड नोबडी कैन टेक दैट अवे फ्रॉम यू.
So I think you have to find your tool, and you have to have that tool every day which will keep you motivated and just get through life on a daily basis. I think that gives you power. So my message for all the Shaktis out there is that all of us do have hard days, but I would tell you that you have to be true to yourself, you have to be authentic to yourself, you have to get up every day, go back and be more stronger, and you have to realize that it's not necessary to be a man to run business. You can be feminine and still run a business very gracefully. I was introduced to spirituality through my closest friend, and after that there was no looking back for me. Find your path which gives you peace, be it workout, fitness, breathing, or whatever makes you at peace and makes you look into yourself and doesn't give you a situation where you feel helpless and you don't have any solution to your problems. So I think just be strong enough to get up every day and be motivated.
देखिए, स्पिरिचुअल स्टेमिना बिल्ड करने के लिए ना हम लोगों को सिर्फ आंखें बंद करने के बैठने के लिए there are tools that will bring you there. जब आप एक बहुत ही लोएस्ट फेज में होते हैं ना, तो जरूरी नहीं होता कि आपको एकदम से शक्ति आ जाएगी, बट जब आप हर रोज कुछ टूल्स को अपने साथ लेके चलेंगे, आप उसको वे ऑफ लाइफ बनाएंगे, अपनी शक्ति को पहचानेंगे, सो नथिंग कैन स्टॉप यू. एंड हर घर शक्ति सीरीज का यही एम है कि आपको जो एवरी डे जो ये वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर्स हैं, जो शायद आपको इंस्टाग्राम पे मिले ना मिले, बहुत सारी ऐसी लेडीज हैं जो हर रोज स्ट्रगल कर रही हैं, चाहे वो घर पे हो या ऑफिस में हो, अपने साथ कनेक्ट कर रही हैं, अपने घर को नरिश कर रही हैं, ऑफिस को नर्चर कर रही हैं, और कहीं ना कहीं आपके साथ कनेक्ट होकर आपको शक्ति दे रही हैं. इफ दिस एपिसोड कहीं ना कहीं has connected you to your Shakti, do share this video with everybody, do follow us, and love you all.